Hello, dear students. Now, today we'll start the chapter number 27 of your book. That's on page number 34. The chapter name is Word Search. So, in this, what you have to do here, words that deal with ideals or principles held by the people are given below. You have to find them in the word grid. The grid is given as you can see in the picture, and you have to read the clues on the next page, that is on page number 35. You have to read these clues, and you have to find the word in this grid. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do, I'll tell you the word and you have to find in the grid afterwards. But first of all, what you have to do, you have to write that word in front of the statement, okay, or in front of that clue. So on page number 35, you have to write number 1, one devoted to one's own interest and advancement. So the person who is devoted to one's own interest and advancement, that is who is called egoist. Okay, that person is called egoist. So you have to write egoist in front of this clue. EGOIST, egoist, and write the spellings very carefully. Okay, now number 2, the belief that certain persons or members of the certain classes or groups deserve favored treatment by virtue of their perceived superiority as in intellect, social status, or financial resources, means the belief of the person or any member, okay, that the groups deserve favored treatment by the superiority, by their intellect, or by their social status or financial resources. So that person that believe the certain persons or members are deserving some favored treatment because of the superiority, because of the intellect, social status, that person is called elitist. ELITIST. First you have to write in front of the clue, afterwards you can find in the grid. That's on page number 34. Now number 3, the deriving of pleasure or the tendency to derive pleasure from the cruelty. The person who derive the pleasure or the tendency to derive pleasure from the cruelty, means the person who derive the pleasure from the cruelty, that person is called sadist. SADIST, sadist. Now number 4, one whose conduct is influenced by ideals that often conflict with practical considerations. The person whose conduct is influenced by the ideals, okay, so he is idealist. Spelling will be IDEALIST, idealist. Now number 5, a tendency to stress the negative or unfavorable or to take the gloomiest possible view. The answer will be pessimist. A tendency to stress the negative or unfavorable or to take the gloomiest possible view, that is pessimist. PESSIMIST. Okay, the meaning of the sentence is a person who is having the tendency to stress the negative or unfavorable or to take the gloomiest possible view, means a person who can take the stress to the, who is having a tendency who stress the negative or unfavorable to the possible view, means gloomiest possible, means who can change the negative to the positive, that is pessimist. Now number 6, one who usually expects a favorable outcome. One who expects something favorable or some favorable outcome, that is optimist. OPTIMIST. IMIST, optimist. Now, 7. One who is inclined to literal truth and pragmatism means one who always tell the truth and pragmatism, that is means one who is real, you can say, that is realist, REALIST, realist. Now, number 8, the deriving of pleasure or the tendency to derive pleasure from being humiliated or mistreated either by another or by oneself means the person who can derive the pleasure or the tendency to derive the pleasure from being humiliated or mistreated means the person who is being humiliated or mistreated, he derived the pleasure from that also. Okay, so that person is called masochist, masochist, chist, masochist. Now, number 9, a supporter of a capitalism, a person who owns capital, especially capital invested in a business. Obviously, a supporter of capitalism. Okay, a person who owns capital, that is called capitalist. CAPITALIST, capitalist. Now, number 10, supporting, advocating, or serving to further communism. Who supports communism? That is called communist. So you can write communist, COMMUNIST, communist. Now, number 11, promoting or practicing socialism. Who promotes or practice socialism? Socialism, you all know very well. I have taught you in social science. Okay, what is socialism? You can tell me in the classroom comments. Okay, what is socialism? This is the question for today. So, promoting or practicing socialism, that person is called socialist. So, the answer will be socialist. SOCIALIST, socialist. Now, number 12, one who disbelieves or denies the existence of God. The person who does not believe God, okay, who disbelieve the God, or the person who denies the person who always think that there is no God. Okay, he does not believe the existence of God. That person is atheist. नास्तिक बोलते हैं जिसको, atheist, ATHEIST, atheist. 13, persons convinced of the superiority of their own gender or kind. The person who is convinced of the convenience of the superiority of their own gender or kind means someone who is proud of their own gender or kind. Okay, who thinks that I am superior by my gender or by my kind. So that person is called chauvinist, CHAUVINIST, chauvinist. Now, number 14, someone who believes that God and the universe are the same. Someone that believes that God and the universe are the same. Okay, so the person is called pantheist. Okay, PANTHEIST. Now, number 15, a psychological condition characterized by self preoccupation, lack of empathy, and unconscious deficits in self esteem. A psychological condition characterized by self preoccupation, lack of empathy, and unconscious deficits in self esteem means a person who deficits in self esteem. Okay, so he is narcissist, NARCISSIST, narcissist. Okay, the person who is not having self esteem, self confidence. Okay, so his condition, psychological condition, can be characterized by lack of empathy, okay, lack of self esteem. So that person is narcissist. NARCISSIST. Now what you have to do, you have to find all these words in the word grid that is given on page number 34. Okay, and this is the tough. Okay, I have done for you, you can see in the picture so that you can find easily. Now one thing I want to tell you, that in this grid I have made some arrows also from the downwards position to upside. So then you can find the words in this grid from the downward to upside position. Okay, like you can see in the example I can tell you, from the down left, not left, from the down, from right to left, the row number 4, 1 2 3 4, and fourth row, third letter from the downwards to upside, IDEALIST, idealist. So it is from the downwards to upside position. So you have to find it very carefully. Okay, the words are given like that. Most of the words are given like that. Okay, so do your work and submit it today only. Okay, thank you.